Welcome to my channel! This is Gauri's Kids World. Let's learn and play together.
Chat, chat, cluck. Good morning, everyone. The sun is shining. Let's have some fun. Come along, little chicks, one by one. Today is a happy day under the golden sun. Mama Hen woke up at dawn, stretching wings upon the lawn. Wake up, babies, rise and shine. Tiny chicks all formed a line. Fluffy feathers, soft and sweet. Little orange, tiny feet. Cheep, 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 they laugh with glee, running around the old oak tree. Cheep, 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 hop me. Flap your wings, 1, 2, 3. Cluck, 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 dance around. Happy little chicks on the ground. Hop, 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 spin around. Smiles and giggles all around. Scratch the ground, dig so deep, looking where the seeds all sleep. One found corn, another grain. One found worms after the rain. Mama smile, that's the way, learning something every day. Tiny tails wiggle fast, making every moment last. Cheep, 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 hop with me. Flap your wings, 1, 2, 3. Cluck, 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 dance around. Happy little chicks on the ground. Hop, 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 spin around. Smiles and giggles all around. Butterflies flew so high, floating gently through the sky. The chicks all chased with happy feet. Every flutter was a treat. Ladybugs said hello. Busy ants marched below. Friendly duck splashed nearby, waving wings with joyful cry. Mama Hen called, come this way. Let's explore and laugh and play. Across the bridge, past the flowers, playing games for happy hours. Hide and seek, peekaboo. Every chick knew what to do. Rolling, clapping, stomping too. Everything was fun to do. Suddenly the clouds turned gray. Raindrops came to dance and play. Pit-pat, tip-tap, drip-drop, splash. Little puddles made a splash. Mama spread her cozy wings. Come inside, my precious things. Warm together, safe and dry. Watching rainbows fill the sky. Cheep, 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 sing with me. Happy as a family. Cluck, 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 side by side. Mama Hen, our loving guide. Hop, 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 spin around. Joy and laughter can be found. Cheep, 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 bright today. We'll come back another day.
Thanks for watching! Here on Gauri's Kids World. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and tap the bell icon.